Hi guys. I just wanted to quick show you what to do in the folders that I've made for you for all the things that you guys need to get done for the week. Okay? So this is our homeroom page. This is what it looks like. You guys have hopefully explored that a little bit. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the first week, the week of March 30th. And then when you go in, you're going to go into reading. And then you're going to click on Monday. And in here, you guys will see iReady, Reading, or Imagine. So you're going to do your iReady or Imagine minutes whenever you see that pop up. You're also going to see a reading group. I can see all of the reading groups. You should only be able to see one of the reading groups. So whatever level book you guys were at, that's your reading group. So it's going to be you and the friends who are at your group table and at school. That's who you're going to be working with and reading your stories. You're all going to have the same story to read. So I'm going to go into this group, and I wanted you guys to see that this is called a discussion board. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a little some directions on what to do. So it says read the story, do not eat that, and answer the question. So the question is, what does Zot try to eat first? Why do you think he tries to eat it? Okay, so the book that you're going to be reading is right here, but I don't want you to click on those words. Okay, if you click on those words, it's gonna save it on your computer, and it's gonna be really hard to find. Easy peasy way of pulling up the book is to click this little view button. So you're gonna click that instead of saving it to your computer. So click that, and it'll pull up your book, and it'll all be ready to go. So it's got to load, it's thinking, it's using its brain. And there it is, there's your book. Do not eat that. So you're going to read this story. You can read it by yourself, read it to your parents, your brother, your sister, your dog. It doesn't matter as long as you're reading it, because you're going to have questions to answer about it. Now when you're all finished reading, you're going to X, you're going to see this little X, you're going to click it, and it'll take you back to the discussion. Okay, now there is a video with directions and some words. So you're going to see a video of Miss Carr. So instead of clicking on the word, you don't want to do that because it's going to save it to your computer. I want you to click this little button that says View. When you click View, there's going to be a little video of Miss Carr. It's not a very pretty video of Miss Carr, not a pretty picture. But you're going to see a video of Miss Carr. I want you guys to look at those videos, because that's, you know how Miss Carr goes over words with you for your lesson and tells you about the story and gives you directions. That's all in this little video. So you're going to click this little triangle button and you're going to play the video before you read the story, okay? So you're going to do that. Then when you're all finished with the video, you're going to click X. And then you're going to, where it says write a comment, you're going to click, and then you can write your answer to the question that I asked. So what does Zot try to eat first? Why do you think he tries to eat it? So you're going to write it in there. If you and your mommies and daddies don't feel comfortable typing, I know it's different to type on the computer than it is to write it out. I wanted to show you guys this because this is really cool. You can come down here and you can click this little button, and then what you can do is you can write it on a piece of paper at home, take a picture of it with your mom and dad's phone, and you can just add the picture. That's all you have to do. You can just add the picture. So you can take a picture of it. So that's really cool. Then there's this other button right here. It looks like a little microphone that you talk into. You can click that button and you can tell me. So instead of writing it, you can tell me it. You can say it out loud, or you can make a little video of yourself. I would love to see little videos of you guys. I miss you so much. I miss your little faces. So that would be awesome too. If you feel like you can type it on the computer, all you have to do is click right here and you can type what you want to say. Okay? So the question is right here for you to answer every day. Remember to look at the video And remember to read the story. And remember, click view with a little magnifying glass next to it, you know, like you would hold up at science class. So click on that, okay? I wanted to let you guys know because you're going to have to do this every single week, every single day in your little reading group. You're going to read a little story on your own and answer some questions about it, okay? I can't wait to see you guys and what you come up with, what you're reading. I can't wait to hear from you guys, okay? All right, I'll see you later.